life in my hometown. My hometown. Life in my hometown. My hometown. I met this girl, she was turning 16. I played in the band at a birthday scene. Out after dark, behind her yard, getting close to her made the time stand still. In my hometown, my hometown, life in my hometown, my hometown. We had some kids, 2 jobs and a dog, and we had fun with our trips down south. We take pictures of you on the big screen, looking back amazed at the places we've been. It's life in my hometown. My hometown. It's life in my hometown. My hometown. I know they'll bury me right next to my family. We all must learn to treat each other right, so we can take that journey home. It's life in my hometown.